Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the booking.com say something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and just make sure that it is working properly. Next, restart your phone to clear system issues affecting the app. Then, head over to your app store and your Play Store. Search for the booking.com app and update your app to the latest version if you've not already done so. Then, if you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies, then reload the page. Now, if the problem persists, wait a few minutes and try again, as this error can happen due to server issues. That's how you fix the booking.com something went wrong error. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.